Alright, it's recording. Do something.
I don't know. Okay.
I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
What?
I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Do something. Okay, one more time for the close-up.
What?
One more time. Awesome. It's a good movie.
You're retarded.
Never Back Down is a good movie.
Oh, I don't know what you were talking about.
What are you talking? What?
What are you talking about?
See, they.
Never mind.
They said never back down, and that's all I heard. And I was like, it's a good movie. So.
Okay. Anyway.
Your hand movements are way too wild.
My hand movements are not wild. You're just
yes,
not,
she actually. She actually does this.
I do it.
When she's not on camera. Now for the close-up.
But no, close-ups are bad. Very bad.
Alright, I'm done with the close-up.
Liar. I know.
No, seriously. Just kidding, I'm not done. It's all good. Holy crap, it's almost time to go.
Buddy!
What? What? I have like 25 minutes on this thing. Yeah. Whoosh. You want to say anything? Alright.
No!
The bunny is gonna die. And stop raping it with your weenus.
It's not my fault your bunny's horny.
Ew. That's gross. Thank you, Sarah, for the bunny. Yeah.
What?
She's pretty cool.
She's been butt raping everybody with it. Arm raping. Shame on you. Bad bunny.
Oh, my shoes. No, she's not bi. No. She's not bi at all. She said Paul is bi. Paul? Randolph? Yeah.
Hey, you can kick me off.
Your eyes pretty. Bye.